Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to be trying to save our 23-year-old Mercury 2-stroke 5-horsepower outboard. We really want to save this motor because even if we spend $200 saving it, it's a lot cheaper to save it than to replace it with a brand new $1,500 outboard. So with that out of the way, let's go fix it. This is our 23-year-old outboard. Let's try starting the motor. First, we prime the bulb. Then we pull the pull cord to start the motor. That doesn't sound right at all. So let's open her up and start digging around. And off comes the top. Still not working, so let's try starting with some starter fluid. First up, we're going to change the spark plug. We have done some diagnosing before this, and we figured it would not hurt to replace the spark plug. Maybe that would fix whatever is wrong. And the socket isn't long enough. Fortunately, we have socket extensions. Try to not break this. And the spark plug is out!
Yeah, that one's a little dirty.
Alright, so putting the spark plug in, we're going to go hand tight first. Then you put your spark plug wrench on there. Then we're gonna put the dust cap back on. Seems there's a lot going on with it. Alright, let's spin her around and try starting again. Let's try removing the air filter and see if that changes anything. Alright, our choke is open. Directly into the carb. Ready? And off comes the carb. We knew it needed to be cleaned anyways, so let's get to cleaning. Alright, so now we're gonna clean this carburetor. Let's see if I can do this. So that's the bottom of the bowl.
Time to reassemble.
The now supposedly clean carb now goes back on the engine. Will she start now? And no dice. We're gonna have to call it a night here. It looks like we weren't able to get the outboard fixed. If anyone has any ideas, let us know in the comments down below. We'd really appreciate any help and advice we can get. With that out of the way, thank you for watching and subscribing. See you next time.